Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the ultimate tools for photography enthusiasts like you. If you're on a quest for the perfect camera to elevate your photography game, you're in the right place. In this video, we've meticulously curated a list of the top 7 best cameras for photography in 2024. Whether you're a professional photographer or an aspiring artist, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore a world of possibilities as we delve into these exceptional cameras that will help you capture breathtaking moments. First position of our list, we have Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV, a powerhouse of a camera that redefines the boundaries of professional photography. This mirrorless marvel is packed with cutting-edge features to unleash your creative potential. With its 33-megapixel full-frame exmor RS-CMOS sensor, the Alpha 7 IV delivers breathtaking image quality, capturing every detail with precision. Its impressive ISO range of 100 to 51,200 ensures exceptional low-light performance, allowing you to shoot stunning photos and videos even in challenging conditions. The camera's advanced real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking ensure that your subjects are always in sharp focus, whether you're capturing fast-moving action or portrait shots. The 10th continuous shooting speed means you'll never miss a moment. Video creators will appreciate the Alpha 7 IV's 4K recording capabilities at 120p, providing smooth and cinematic footage. With 16-bit RAW output via HDMI, you have complete control over your post-production workflow. The intuitive touchscreen interface, customizable buttons, and robust weather-sealed body make this camera a joy to use in any environment. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is a game-changer in the world of photography. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Fujifilm X-T5 Mirrorless Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X-T5 Mirrorless Digital Camera is a photographic masterpiece that combines stunning image quality with classic design. This camera is a perfect blend of form and function, making it a favorite among both professionals and hobbyists. At its core, the X-T5 boasts a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, which delivers exceptional image clarity and sharpness. The X Processor 4 ensures lightning-fast autofocus and impressive low-light performance, while the in-body image stabilization system allows for steady shooting in any situation. One of the standout features of the X-T5 is its retro-inspired design, complete with tactile dials and a sturdy magnesium alloy body. It not only looks beautiful but also feels great in your hands. For videographers, this camera offers 4K recording at up to 60 fps, making it ideal for cinematic projects. The advanced film simulation modes, including the beloved Fujifilm Classic Chrome, add a unique touch to your footage. With its excellent electronic viewfinder, tilting LCD screen, and extensive lens lineup, the Fujifilm X-T5 is a versatile tool that will help you capture stunning photos and videos with ease. The number 3 position is held by Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Canon continues to set the standard for mirrorless cameras with the EOS R6 Mark II, a versatile and powerful camera designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts. At the heart of this camera is a 24.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality and low-light performance. The EOS R6 Mark II features Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS AFI system, ensuring lightning-fast and accurate autofocus, even in challenging conditions. With 8K video recording capabilities and 4K at up to 120 fps, the EOS R6 Mark II is a dream come true for videographers. The inclusion of Canon's log profiles and advanced video features allows for unparalleled creative control. The camera's ergonomic design, in-body image stabilization, and weather-sealed construction make it comfortable to use in any environment. The customizable controls and intuitive menu system ensure a seamless shooting experience. Whether you're capturing wildlife, sports, or portraits, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a camera that excels in every aspect of photography and videography, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Next at number 4 we have Sony RX100 VI Premium Compact Camera. Meet the Sony RX100 VI, the ultimate compact camera for on-the-go photographers who demand exceptional image quality in a portable package. Despite its compact size, the RX100 packs a powerful punch with its 20.1 megapixel 1.0 type XMOR RS CMOS sensor. This camera is designed to deliver stunning image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. The advanced BIONZX image processor enables high-speed autofocus, ensuring that you never miss a moment. The real-time tracking and real-time eye autofocus features make capturing sharp, in-focus subjects a breeze. For videographers, the RX100 offers 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. The compact size of this camera makes it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators who need a reliable, portable solution. The RX100 also features a retractable OLED electronic viewfinder and a tilting LCD screen, making it easy to compose shots from various angles. With its pocket-sized form factor and exceptional performance, the Sony RX100 is a game-changer for those who want high-quality images in a small package. The number 5 position is held by Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera designed for enthusiasts and budding photographers who seek exceptional image quality in a compact and user-friendly package. At the heart of the Z50 is a 20.9 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, which delivers impressive image clarity and detail. The camera's 209-point phase detection autofocus system ensures precise and rapid subject tracking, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The Z50 offers 4K UHD video recording at 30 fps, allowing videographers to create high-quality content. The camera's in-body image stabilization system ensures steady shots and smooth footage. With a sleek and lightweight design, the Z50 is perfect for travel and everyday photography. The ergonomic grip and intuitive controls make it comfortable to use, even for extended shooting sessions. The camera also features a tilting touchscreen LCD and an electronic viewfinder, providing flexibility in composing shots. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the Nikon Z50 is a versatile camera that delivers outstanding results. Moving on to the next at number 6 with Canon EOS R50 mirrorless vlogging camera. For content creators and vloggers looking for the ultimate tool to bring their vision to life, the Canon EOS R50 is the answer. This mirrorless camera features a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing exceptional image quality and dynamic range. The dual-pixel CMOS AFII ensures fast and precise autofocus, even in challenging lighting conditions. What sets the EOS R50 apart is its vlogging-friendly features. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD allows for easy framing and monitoring while shooting. With 4K UHD video recording at up to 60 fps and an external microphone input, you can capture professional quality audio and video. The EOS R50 also offers advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it effortless to share your content on the go. Despite its compact size, this camera boasts a comfortable grip and a robust build, ensuring durability and comfort during extended shooting sessions. Whether you're a vlogger, YouTuber, or content creator, the Canon EOS R50 is your creative companion. Finally, the number 7 position is dominated by Ricoh GR-IE Street Edition. For street photographers and urban explorers, the Ricoh GR-IE Street Edition is the camera of choice, designed to capture the essence of the city with style and precision. This compact camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and detail. The fast and accurate autofocus system ensures you can seize the moment effortlessly. The GR-IE Street Edition combines a discreet and minimalist design with rugged build quality, perfect for street photography. The camera's 28mm fixed focal length lens provides a unique perspective, ideal for capturing the energy of the streets. With in-camera RAW development and various creative shooting modes, you can experiment with your photography and achieve stunning results straight out of the camera. The camera's compact size and inconspicuous appearance make it perfect for candid street shots. Whether you're capturing the hustle and bustle of the city or exploring quiet corners, the Ricoh GR-IE Street Edition is the ultimate tool for urban photography enthusiasts. That wraps up our in-depth exploration of the top 7 best cameras for photography in 2024. We hope you found this video informative and insightful in your quest for the ideal camera. Remember to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert advice on photography gear and tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we continue to empower photographers like you to achieve greatness with their art. Until then, keep clicking and capturing those amazing shots.